Hey YouTubers, so right now I got a package. Yay! Well, it's raining basically, and I just got back from where I meet my friend, and she actually gave me a package of squishies. It contains 5 squishies. I bought it for $14. Actually, oh my god, it's so cute. The plastic bag is like so cute. It's like you can see it's like translucent. Or transparent, I don't know. It's like really cute heart-shaped stylo Milo. Okay, so stylo Milo. Okay, seriously. So this is what it looks like. It's like national flag. Yeah. Okay, so I got one squishy for free. So actually, I bought 4 squishies, but I got one free. So the free was this. It's like so cute. It's like waffle. Really cute waffle. So what I ordered is actually yeah, I ordered Hello Kitty waffle with sprinkles and what's that? I don't know what it's called. It's like whipped cream. It's really cute. Let me open it. Oh, it's really open. Has pink bow. It smells so good, and here's the pink strap. It comes with pink straps. Basically, I actually spot one defect that was actually over here. Can you actually see it? Try to focus but cannot. So that was the first one. Oh, behind I also got some sprinkles. There, actually got more. Oh my god, it fell. The sprinkles fell. Can you see that? Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Oh my, I'm just gonna put back. But the sprinkles like look so good. It's like real sprinkles. Okay, so the next one is basically another. I bought 3 Hello Kitty waffle. So actually I ordered pink, hot pink, light pink, and like brownish green. That's brown. It's really cool. Oops. Oh my god, accidentally, I wanted to pull this thing out, but accidentally just tear it off, the plastic. Never mind, so this is what it looks like. It's so squishy. It does really has some good smell. So here, I got the brown, hot pink, actually like a dark pink, but yeah, this is the light pink. There's the third one. Here, so cute, nice smell. I hate the smell. No, it smells like somehow it's good smell, but I don't know how to explain it. So the sprinkles is like can't be moved out, but it stick to the decorations and sprinkles. It's really cute. So so there is all the 3 colors that I ordered. So let's look around here. So here we got the brown, pink, and light pink. So next to the next one is so squishy. You know, I tried to squish them. It's actually Hello Kitty squishy. It's like so damn squishy. Oh my god. Hey, did you guys notice something? Okay, so here I got black stripe. This one, the light pink is black stripes. The brown one is a black stripe, but the pink one is a light pink stripe. That is so cool, actually. Okay. Oh my god, sprinkles just like fell all over the places. Okay, so yeah, the next one is just a free gift. It's also really cute. This one, this 4 has the same smell. I hope this has a good smell actually. really cool. Hey, it's not raining. Okay. Oh yeah, it's so squishy. But the decoration is like brown. It's not black. And this one have holes, but this two doesn't have holes. You can actually pop it too. It's really cute. It's like a sponge, you know. But it's not a sponge, it's a clay. Yay, I can squish them all day long. Hey! Okay, that's like cool. Squishy Madara. Okay, so this is another one. Ah, it smells the same. But at least it's better. I spot something. Saw that? It's like something going on over there. I tried to, you know, like focus it, but can't. So, yeah. I'm using iPhone and I'm trying to like focus it. Okay, there's something wrong. You see that? It's like not fixed. So that is what I ordered, and it's basically 5 of them. So I'm gonna take the others. So be right back. Okay, back guys. Sorry, I saw my brother is still not sleeping, so I tried to make him go sleep. Okay, so he's actually coming to our task. Nah. He said he doesn't have iPhone, so he take the iPad as his phone. It's so like, okay, back to the squishies. So the other squishies was like the ice cream. Yeah, you got. Oh, okay, whatever. So first one is the ice cream. Rilakkuma, with the pink whipped cream, or purplish, and yellow stretchy stripe. While this one is black, the ice cream, and it's really cool. It's really squishy. I have a good smell. I like the smell. It has my favorite bed. It's Rilakkuma with a pink bow. But Rilakkuma is like yellow, and it has some cracks on the ears that you cannot really see because I can't focus it. I just put something. Oh my god. Oh, that's my favorite one. Okay, the next one is the Hello Kitty macaron. It's actually so squishy, but this is squishier. Okay, HK macaron with a pink stripe, same as this, the pink waffle. But this is just stretchy strap. Okay, these two come from the what's this called? It's like Rilakkuma. Wait, let me show you. Oh my god, my brother just put the country erasers inside here. What the? Okay, never mind. Just like this, half of this plastic actually. So the next one is my mini toast. And the next one is like the white bun with wing emotion that I replaced with my mini bread, brown bread bun. Okay, so this is my cupcake. Well, this has the same design as this. There is the stars. Okay, I got that one, and actually this is the donut. The first donut is bigger than the second donut. Whee! Okay, that's so disgusting. Okay, so I got this done. So basically the waffle. Let me see. This is squishier. This is the most squishiest squishy that I ever had. Maybe. This is the bun. Okay, this is the squishiest. Well, this is like small. Oh my god. Okay, so that was like all of them that I got actually. So yeah, yay! Hey, pinkish. So let's see the background. Okay, so that's all my 15 squishies. That's like so cool. So yeah. So that's all my squishies. So I hope you guys all enjoy this opening package squishy video. I'm gonna order more soon if I got $20, cause I'm using the other $20 to actually buy my wallet, my dream wallet. I'm gonna show you if I got them. And sorry, my voice is like so soft. And by the way, sorry for making a late up. I never close the computer. So sorry if I make an what is that called? Late update. I'm so sorry. By the way, sorry I cannot make the cover, the second cover from the payphone cover. Sorry, I cannot make it because my cousin actually just come back today. Yes, just now. Well, they got a last news that they had to go back today. My cousins. So that's why we never make our cover. And yesterday, basically, I go to my grandmother's house and they didn't actually follow. And I'm not home for the whole day. So yeah. Yeah, I try to make a new update soon. So do subscribe, like, and comment, and favorite too if you are feeling free. And do join my giveaway. Check out my channel and please subscribe. SG it's SG Budak Gangsta. I'm gonna show you guys. So they are actually pretty awesome, if I wanna say so. Yeah. So it's actually my the laptop. Okay, so oh yay! I got friend request. Okay, so you actually need to go to YouTube. Okay, then you go search SG Budak Gangsta. You know. Minecraft style lah. Okay, so my brother is using the iPad and I'm using the laptop. So actually I'm not using the MacBook because the MacBook belongs to my father. By the way.
Dig in Minecraft style. Minecraft style. Dig in a hole just one more time until I score this. Strike rich on diamonds, iron, gold, and build our decked out fortress. All we need is just a bit of luck to not abort this. Running low, we can't afford this. Sergeants on your hill. Just the last time a group of creepers came out over there. Blew up a vein of diamonds, then chased us all out of there. A spider army dropped down from the roof into our hair. Ran back to fresh air. This ain't your land, you're gonna pay, man, so you know where to go. When you're digging, you better listen, so you know we're gonna show, making sure you're all prepared before you go.
Thanks for watching. Bye. And wait,
Minecraft
do subscribe me